Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. And Roxy says hello. Hi, Roxy Foxy. Anywho, I wanted to show you something that I got from Miss Vanessa. This beautiful vermeil and jade by Karen Lynn. It's signed KL on the back. It says Sterling on it. It's very pretty. I've been wearing it off and on since I got it. It's a beautiful thing. It's also a brooch, and I don't think I'm going to brooch it. I think I'm going to leave it on a chain, because I do tend to wear necklaces more than brooches. And yes, we have a new batch of jewelry, but I wanted to show you my new yummies. This is Mist Shift from the Multi-Chrome collection, and it shifts from, you can't really see all the colors, but it shifts from green to teal to blue to purple to fuchsia and then to gold, like in the right light. And then, since I had that, if you see this one, it's looks a little more textured. And I also did the tips on this hand with, come on, what the heck. So I did my tips on this side with this beautiful flaky goodness. It has the same shift as the other one. So, and there are two different brands. This is Hollow Taco and this is I Love Nail Polish, but look at. So, I thought I would put them together, but it's weird when I put the top coat over this one, over the flaky one, it tended to like flatten them out and they don't stand out as much. And that top coat would be Big Quick Dry. Sally Hansen, let's see, I'm about halfway down there. Jeez, I'm gonna have to buy more. But that's great stuff if you don't have patience to wait for your nails to dry. So you paint your nails and you let them get, you know, still tacky, but dry enough that if you put a top coat on, it's not going to pull it off. If you put that on over top, it hardens really quick. And that gives your the undercoats time to cure. As long as you don't bash anything hard, you should be fine. So that's my trick for having it work out. And I pulled out my matching rings as usual. So yeah, that's my latest. Because you know I gotta talk about that. I have to. I can't help it. Alright, let's get to the jewelry. Let's start off with this screaming green. And this lovely lavender. These are both from the 70s, it looks like. They both have, it might even be earlier than that, because they've got spring rings on them. And they're fused, and they're pressed, and they're plastic. But they're they're basically the same necklace in two colors. And I think they're very fun. And those are from the 70s, I'm pretty sure. Here is a napkin ring in olive green glass. Very large beads that might just get dismantled and used for something else. Because they're pretty beads. It's just, it's not made into anything you can use for jewelry. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Eee, speaking of nails, look, it's got painted nails. What is it? Oh, it's a hair clip. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Creepy. Ooh, this is pretty. red and Aurora, and then it's got the little crystals. Very nice. Pretty. Ooh, what are you? You are an earring with a textured hoop. What have we here? Looks like cupcakes or... Oh, it's a sundae. Hold on a second. This has got to be Claire's. Yep. It's Claire's tween jewelry. Look, they go like that, and then they sit in a little dish. When you get it all untangled, that's adorable. Oh my god. It's so cute. That's the cutest little Claire's thing I've ever seen. I don't get out much. There's that. And then... Come on. Undo. Untangle. Peach. I want to see. Oh, come on. Really? Please untangle. Can't grab it. There. I think. Oh my gosh, it's like a Y necklace. Look at that. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I want it. It's in really nice shape too. It's a Claire's. It's so cute though. Oh, I want to show you what I'm wearing too, because I don't ever put myself on camera, but I always wear something. And I think I'd like to show you what I'm wearing. This is a chain that I found recently. It's a really nice Rollo-ish chain. And then I had this upstairs. And I thought since it's a nice thick chain, it would look nicer. You know, I don't have a strand of beads to put this on, so I thought that worked out okay. Come on. We're all doing a shifty thing today. Okay. And before anyone asks, no, it isn't. Not for sale. It's mine. Come on. There we go. And that one hits me right above the cleavage. It's very nice. Here is some little bangly dudes. And whoa, look at this thing. It's pink glass and shell and hearts and very, very... These are plastic. Wow. Here's another hoop. It's got some rhinestones in it. Nice. And there's the other one of those. Wait a minute. Where did I put it? Well, they'll be in there if you're interested. They're like a light gold tone. This is huge. It's a piece of clay on a leather thong. Come on. Can we get it untangled, maybe? I don't think we can right now. But it is signed on the back. Cat something mixed 350. Is that 350 a price? I don't know. If anybody is familiar with this artist, I can't quite read it. And I can't get it untangled, so we're going to move on to something else that's got a hair in it. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Flowers. I'm in the garden. Little hat. Little gardening hat. And gardening gloves. Oh, I have a friend that I should send this to. I don't know if it's sterling or not. I have to look it up. Or look it up. I have to scratch it. Scratch it. Hold on. I have my scratchy stone here. We can try. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's copper, but never can tell. I think that's plated. Look how white it is. I don't see a mark on it. It has a name though. Where's my thingy? Why can I not find my thingy? Oh, there it is. It was right behind here. Okay, it has a name on it, so we're going to check out the name. Hold on. It says love, 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 love. It doesn't say a name. It does not have... I'm going to have to use the acid because I'm not really sure. It feels heavy like it would be sterling, but it's, copper can also be real heavy like that. Ooh, what have we got? Oh my gosh, we're at 11 already. Lord. Lordy. Ooh. These are red lozenges. Deep, deep, deep red. And then there's these guys. They're kind of dusty looking. Interesting. Beads. They might go in my collection. I'm not sure. Broken. This is a fabric. What? Okay, got caught on here. Here's an earring that's bent. Needs to be bent back together. There we go. And then this is a little choker. And here's a little stretchy plastic bead guy. You need to get out of the frame. You're messing up my focus. Here's a little tiny shark tooth. And shell beads. They are not puka. Oh, this one looks like Monet or something. You know, that chevron design. It could be anybody really. Who has that one? That dangle. We don't know, but it's vintage because look at the hook on it. Pretty gold tone. It's that mid-century looking gold tone. Here's a little necklace of gold tone and black. Very nice. It has no name on it. Interesting. It don't have no name. Okay, what is this? Wow, look at this earring. Wow. It's really, really light. Oh, I might. If I find the other one, I might be tempted to wear that. Because it's big and light. Ooh, look at that. Very mod. Mod. That's a neat idea for nail art. You will do that kind of thing on your nail and then you wear the ring. I'm obsessed. I can't help it. What's in here? Ooh. Look. Oh, what are you? Oh, they're little critters. What's this guy? Dog? I don't know. I think it was an elephant that broke. His trunk broke off. Oh, poor baby. Poor little thing. Alright, we have an ankle bracelet with a sterling clasp, I think. Yeah. Somebody was reclaiming stuff. It's also, oh heck. Wow, that's crazy. Is that an ankle bracelet? Yeah. And they use sterling on it? Oh, okay. So, it's made with a clothing hook. And it looks like it's made to just snap on there, but it's not. So that's why they had it done that way. Wow. Sterling. That's weird. Ooh, look. A glass egg. With no drill. It's just a glass egg with swirlies in it. I'm sitting on my foot. Ouch. Oh, this is pretty. It's a little bracelet with a cross. Cute. Very, very cute. Here is a little pearl earring surrounded by 3 CZs. Come on. There you go. Now you can see it. Here is a... Whoa. What? Look, a wolf. It's a clay wolf, painted. It's a bead. Oh, he's beautiful. Look at him. Look at the detail. Very nice. Yeah, I like that kind of stuff. Handmade. One of a kind. Ooh. Looks like we got some elephants. And they're in here. With their trunks up. They're going to be earrings. They might be sterling. I don't know. I've got a lot of Fire Mountain Gem stuff. These are little metal with paint. Leaves. Leafy leaves. Oh lordy, you're kidding. There is a cockerel feather with dyed pink and red. And that's the actual color of it. Oh. It's a chicken feather. I had a rooster once, did I ever tell you that? His name was Chanticleer, but we called him McNugget for short. And he was an indoor pet. Oh, this is one of those things you put in your hair. Oh, this one's broke. Oh, it needs to be undone, and I love these things, but that one's in really poor shape, so we're going to toss it. Yeah, his name was Chanticleer, but we called him McNugget. And he liked to watch TV and sit on my lap and watch TV. And he woke us up in the morning. Well, that's gross. This is a resin copy of a arrowhead. Oh, this is nice. I'm not much into the hemp work, but this one's kind of pretty. Look at that. Very, very tribal, and it's like a tie-on necklace. Choker, dude. Choker. This is earring, and it was bent all the heck. There, and now it's not. Hold on. There we go. All fixed. We're at 20, but I don't want to give it up yet. Ooh. Another thing I might not want to give up until I do some research. Look at this guy. He's got a blue eye. And he's gorgeous. And he's on this very nice chain. A little worn. Somebody loved it quite a bit. It's worn. I don't see a name on it anywhere. Oh, that's gorgeous. You might have to keep. I don't know. Ask anyway. I might change my mind. Here's a little neck bracelet with like a mauve and a black. And it has a fold-over clasp. And on that note, here's some more of those leaves. 2 different kinds. Yeah, on that note, we're gonna cut it short. Well, not cut it short, we went long. I would like to thank you all for being here. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down there. If you see something you like, if you see something you can't live without, please do. Leave a timestamp of the item you would like in the comments below. Or you can send that same information to my email, which is in my description. And if you have not bought from me before, please include your name, your YouTube name, your address, and your PayPal email so that I can invoice you for the items that you would like. Also, please include include the title of the video and the date that it was posted so that I know where to find the item if it's been more than a day. So, remember that I love each and every one of you, and I stink at doing that shape. And be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.